Hi guys, welcome to Pabbly Connect workshop. So in this video we will learn how to integrate Streak to Google Sheets. Our use case is pretty simple. When new box is created in Streak, it will enter a data row in Google Sheet. Now Streak is an online CRM tool and Google Sheet is your favorite spreadsheet program. So what we are going to do is we are going to send the data from Streak to Google Sheet. Now as you may know this, there is some kind of integration between Streak and Google Sheet. But this integration is kind of limited. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will use Pabbly Connect to integrate Streak and Google Sheet. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming language. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Okay, at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect. Then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your own account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box. Actually, I would insist that you try this automation with me. It's actually pretty fun. Okay, so scroll down. And at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Here click on access now. Then at the right corner you will find a button called as create a workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I am going to give it as Streak CRM to Google Sheets. CRM to Google Sheets. Then click on create. When you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. Here in the choose app, let's make it as Streak CRM because we want to send the data from Streak CRM. That is why. In the choose method, let's make it as new box. Okay, so the new box is basically a trigger. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger? Trigger is a if statement. It asks a question. If the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new box is added, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are many more triggers like new comment, task completed, new contact, and so on. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to make. But at present, I want to send the data when a new box is made in Streak CRM. So let's make it as new box. Then click on connect with Streak CRM. Okay, in the new credentials, we have 2 boxes to fill, API key and the password. Now actually we don't need to fill the password, only the API key. Okay, so your obvious question is how I am supposed to get the API key. It's actually very simple. Let's go to our Streak account. Okay, so this is my Streak account. Here bring your attention to this part called as integrations. Click this. Now scroll down and you will find Streak API. Okay, so just click on create a new key. A new key will be generated. Copy this and paste it here. Okay, so then just click on save. So as you can see, when you click on save, a blank called as pipeline has emerged in front of you. This is because in pipeline, there is a pipeline called as pipeline 1. Okay, there is another pipeline called as blue chips. Let me show you my pipelines. These are the pipelines I have, blue chips and pipeline 1. Okay, so for example, if we add one more pipeline, let's say the name is burst. Okay, then I have click on create, click on private, click on create. Okay, so a pipeline called as burst has been created. So when you actually refresh this, it will also show this pipeline called as burst. Okay, so basically what I'm trying to say is that whatever data is filled in Streak, it will be reflected in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to select the pipeline as pipeline 1. I want to create the box in this pipeline. Okay, so the next blank is about the webhook URL. So your obvious question is, what is a webhook URL? The webhook URL is provided by the receiving application. In this case, it is Pabbly Connect. It basically acts like a phone number that the other application can call when the event happens. So the other application in this case is Streak CRM, and the event is adding a new box. Okay, so just click on this button, save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing that at present Streakbox is now Streak CRM is integrated with Pabbly Connect. This means that whenever there is a box created in Streak CRM, Pabbly Connect will receive the data. So to ensure that the Pabbly Connect will capture this data, just click on this button, Capture Webhook Response. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for a data. So let's create a box in Streak CRM. So I'm going to create a box in pipeline 1. So let's say I'm going to create a box in contacted. I'm going to create a box, add a box. The box name is forward positions. Okay, so let's see. Okay, a box called as forward position has been added. So let's see whether Pabbly Connect has captured this data or not. Okay, so it is waiting. Yes, the data has been captured. So what it's really saying is that this is the time at which the forward position has been created. This is the timestamp. This is basically in the POSIX format. And this is the name of the box, forward position, and so this is the display name and this is the display email. Okay, so all the data has been captured. Now we have to sync this data to Google Sheet. So to do that, just click on this plus button. When you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. Here in the Choose app, since we want to insert the data into Google Sheet, let's make the app as Google Sheets. In the Choose method, let's make the action as add new row. Of course, there are many more actions like copy a sheet, delete a sheet, create a sheet, update a row, and so on. However, in case, just like the triggers, if you don't find the action of your choice, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action for you. But at present, I want to keep it as add new row. Okay, so your obvious question is why we are keeping the action as add new row? Well, to explain you that, let me show you my Google Sheet. This is my Google Sheet. Okay, it has been titled Streakbox to Google Sheet, and these are the rows I have: box name, creation time, stage key, and assigned email. So what it will do is the data will be entered into adjacent rows one by one. For example, the box name will be entered first, then the creation time will be entered, then the stage key will be entered, and the assigned email will be entered. Okay, so let's go to Pabbly Connect and click on Connect with Google Sheets. Again, in the new credentials, click on Connect with Google Sheets. Now I have the Google Sheet in this account. Okay, so these are the series of accounts I have, Gmail accounts I have, but the Google Sheet called as Streakbox to Google Sheet is present in this account. So I'm clicking this. Okay, so it is asking me to confirm my choice. Just click on allow. Okay, so while it is authorizing, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% secure with us. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just click on OK. So as you can see, the spreadsheet is showing Streakbox to Google Sheet. So as you can see, when you expand it, there are many Google Sheets present here. Okay, so this is the particular Google Sheet I am interested in appending the data, Streakbox to Google Sheet. So let's keep it that way. In the sheet, it is showing as sheet 1. That is because there is only one sheet called as sheet 1. Okay, so let's keep it as sheet 1. Now comes the box name, creation time, stage key, and assigned email. So basically all the rows, okay, all these rows, box name, creation time, stage key, and assigned email is available in the form of blanks. Okay, so in the box name, we are going to map in the name of the box. So this button is called as the mapping button. So just click this, and the name of the box was, I think, was forward positions. Yes. The creation time, so it was created, okay, creation time, timestamp. So basically the time is in POSIX format. So your obvious question is, what is a POSIX format? So POSIX format means the number of milliseconds that have elapsed since January 1, 1970. So we are not going to get into much technicalities about POSIX, but I will tell you this. This format is actually very easy for the machines to read and perform calculations. For example, May 30, 2019 would be read as like this. Okay, this is the POSIX format for May 30, 2019. Okay, in the stage key, just enter the stage key. Okay, this is the stage key. Assigned email, I think it was Aaron, my own email. Yeah, okay. So basically all the details has been filled. Just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing the data has been entered into Google Sheets. So let's check whether we have got the data. Yes, we have got the data. Okay, so this is the box number, that is forward positions, and this is the creation time in POSIX format, this is the stage key, and this is the assigned email. Okay, so the presence of this data in Google Sheet shows that we have successfully integrated Streak to Google Sheet with help of Pabbly Connect. This means anytime a new box is created in Streak, it will be reflected in Google Sheet. But to double check the integration, let's create one more box in Streak. But before that, let me show you the whole gist of the process. So let me minimize my action window and let me minimize my trigger window. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Streak CRM to Pabbly Connect. Then you integrated Pabbly Connect to Google Sheet. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Streak CRM and Google Sheet. So let's create one more box. So, okay, I'm going to create one more box in contacted, add box. So this time the name is deposit found. Okay, so this is the box I have created. So let's see whether we have the details related to deposit box. Yes, so these are the details. Deposit box, this is the creation time, this is the stage key, and this is the assigned email. So our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a new box will be created in Streak CRM, the data will be entered into Google Sheets automatically via Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.